Hi, hello, I am Dr. Srinivasan. I am a practicing cardiologist. I am here in Dubai since 2015. I used to see patients coming with symptoms of chest pain, breathing difficulty, and other cardiac symptoms. I may not give medications in the beginning, but I will go for some lifestyle modifications. I will advise diet and physical activities. Mild jogging or mild running is also advisable. I used to advise the diet which is low in fat, low in sugar. Among the dairy products which carries less sugar but more in calcium, protein and other vitamins. So better choose a right product with the right ingredients. So choose a right brand to lead your life healthy.